wanna see the action. Baby, tell me what's the deal. What you say? I ain't really into what.
Hey guys, it's your girl May and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is sponsored by ashimaryhair. They sent me over this 16-inch Kinky Curly frontal wig. This unit is perfect for the summer. So if you're looking for something light, fluffy and fun, then I suggest you go and cop yourself this wig. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I installed this wig as a glueless unit. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then I suggest you stay tuned for the rest of the video. Like always, if you would like to see more videos like this, please like, subscribe and share. And I'll catch you in my next one. Enjoy the rest of the video.
The wig came in this beautiful turquoise blue box and the hair came really quickly. So I believe once Ashimary shipped off the wig, it came within a week. They came through with the goodies. They sent over this nightgown, a melt band, some lashes, a hair clip, an edge slick brush, 2 HD wig caps, and a razor. The wig itself was neatly packaged and the hair was super soft. What I love about this wig is that it's a 13x6 full lace, which is amazing when it comes to versatility in terms of styling. The lace is a HD transparent lace. I would have preferred an actual HD lace, but this lace worked perfectly fine. I did end up customizing and bleaching the lace off camera. And once I put it on my head, it fit amazing. I am on the larger side when it comes to my head size. So for my larger head ladies, this wig does accommodate for us big-headed girls. Also, as this lace is a 13x6, it's perfect for girls with lower hairlines like myself. The only thing that I would say is if you have lower sideburns, you might struggle a little bit as the lace is quite short on the sides. But other than that, this wig is perfect. So what I'm doing now is just carving out the sides of the lace just to mimic my own hairline. So I still want the hair to be just in front of my hairline, but not so much where it's touching my eyebrows. So for the rest of the video, I'm going to try and aim to not talk as much as I usually do in my videos, as these clips are pretty self-explanatory. However, I will chime in here and there. Like always, all the products shown in this video will be listed down in the description bar below.
I just wanna see your pretty smile. Girl, come over, make me tell you so. Woman, you have the best song. Wine me, girl, come find me. Tell me if you're ready. Did you rewind me? All along, the girl really pretty and she love me all along. All along, she just put the foot along to the side. She don't run 'cause she want this way so. Take your time, girl. I just wanna give you so much. Press rewind, girl.
After spraying the Ebin, it doesn't matter if it's not perfect, as I'll be going in again with the Ebin once I carve out my baby hairs.
Make me head hurt. Girl, your body good, ready for the wood. Some me treat her like a wrestler. Slam me on the ground, say she ready for the fun. And you should let me touch you up again. See me on the dancing, yeah, me wanna be your friend. Hold on, let me try again. Open that, she'll open up and take me in again. And girl, you're so fine and wanna see you rock it and pop it up and a wine and I can see you on the island, bikini, martini, baby girl, you know if you sign on. Tell me what your mind on, I don't mind if you want to check, cause that's a minor. Me have to put you in designer. You have to bless me with a daughter. Me charge you, oh girl, you are me charger. You keep it true, yeah, you keep it one order. If a man not come for me, me now you not go talker. That's how me like it. 1 in a million, yeah, you right there. Tick tock for me right there. Me like it, that's how me like it, yeah. Girl, you make me head hurt. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, yeah.
I think I've mentioned this before in previous videos. If you want more flat, sleek installs, you want to make sure that you're working in sections at all times, especially when it comes to hot combing.
Hold on, let me try again. Open that, she'll open up and take me in again. And girl, you're so fine and wanna see you rock it and pop it up and a wine and I can see you on the island, bikini, martini, baby girl, you know if you sign on. Tell me what your mind on, I don't mind if you want to check, cause that's a minor. Me have to put you in designer.
So what I'm doing now is just lightly just giving the wig some shape. So when doing this part, you want to make sure that you're not being heavy-handed. So as you can see, I'm just taking small strands of hair and just lightly giving it some layers. When doing this step, you definitely want to trust the process.
Girl, you make me head hurt. Girl, your body good, ready for the wood. Some me treat her like a wrestler. Slam me on the ground, say she ready for the fun. And you should let me touch you up again. See me on the dancing, yeah, me wanna be your friend. Hold on, let me try again. Open that, she'll open up and take me in again. And girl, you're so fine and wanna see you rock it and pop it up and a wine and I can see you on the island, bikini, martini, baby girl, you know if you sign on. Tell me what your mind on, I don't mind if you want to check, cause that's a minor. Me have to put you in designer.
So after I saturate the hair with some water and add some curl mousse, I then go in with some finger coils. So what I'm simply doing is just twisting the hair around my fingers and just redefining the curls. This step is a little bit long-winded, however it is optional. I find with finger coil twists on kinky curly hair, it gives a more natural look, as if it's my own natural hair. So using my blow dryer and my diffuser attachment, I'm just simply drying the hair. Using the 2 layers of Ebin spray, I was able to have the hair on for more than 24 hours. I was even able to sleep in the wig, of course using a band to protect the lace. An afro comb definitely comes in handy when it comes to the fluffing out stage. What you don't want to do is comb out the hair all the way through, so you just want to focus on the roots of the hair. So you want to use your hands as well as the afro comb just to stretch the hair out as much as possible to get your desired look. So I wasn't really feeling the side part, so I did change the hair into my trusty middle part. So after about 10 minutes of stretching and fiddling around my hair, I think I somehow got the desired look I was looking for. And here's the back of the hair. So remember when I said that the 13x6 was so versatile and is perfect when it comes to styling? I was able to style the hair into multiple different styles, which you can also try out too. So we have now come to the end of this video. I want to thank ashimaryhair for sending me this beautiful unit and for sponsoring this video. Like always, thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!